To start off, you should have a PayPal account, and if you don't have one yet, then don't worry, as I'll teach you the steps to creating one. This is essential because this is where you'll get paid, and this is where you can get your money. You should first visit paypal.com. When you're on PayPal's homepage, you should click on the Sign Up button that you'll see in the upper right corner of your screen. I suggest that you choose a personal account. Once you choose it, you just have to provide some basic information, then proceed to create your account. That's so easy and simple. Remember that you don't have to pay for any premium membership, as you can receive money from anywhere in the world through this platform. The next website that I'll share with you is the actual website that will pay you just by simply listening to any music that you'd like. This is RadioEarn.com. RadioEarn will pay you through PayPal because this payment method is widely known, very accessible, and easy to use. Going back to RadioEarn, you can keep scrolling through their website if you want to know more, but all the necessary details are provided on their homepage. You'll also see the number of listeners on their website and how much money they've already paid for these users. Right now, there are thousands of people that are listening to music using this website all around the globe. They're all listening to music while earning money at the same time. You can sign up for a free account on this website just by simply clicking on the Sign Up button. You'll see this button on the upper right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page that'll require you to fill out a simple form. You just have to provide all the needed information. Now, if you're done creating your own free account, you can try to log in so that you'll see your dashboard. There's a list on the left side of your screen, and I want you to move the cursor to the option that says Start Earning. There are 3 radio stations that you'll hear under this option, but I want you to click on the Listen Radio button. With this one, you have the chance to earn and get paid for every minute that you listen. You'll directly receive the points on your account and then later convert them into actual cash. But before this website pays you, you need to set up and input your payment details. You can do it by clicking on the Amount button, which is also visible on the left side of your screen. The Amount button will show you various options, but you should click on the Payout button. Once you're on the Payout dashboard, you can enter the required details, like your PayPal account. Take note that you can also use another payment method, not just PayPal, but this one is the most convenient to use since this website gives payment to people in different parts of the world. To actually start your journey to earning by listening to music, you should go back and click the Listen Radio button once again. A different tab will be prompted and you'll see 3 different radio stations. You can click on the first result, and then when you're taken to a new page, you just have to click on the Play button. You can leave it playing in the background and open a different website while it plays. This is a great way to earn money while multitasking. You can continue working on your devices while earning at the same time. This is a really great opportunity, especially if you're looking for a side hustle. This website is highly recommended for beginners. Once the first station is done playing, you can move forward to the next station and so on. That's basically it with RadioEarn.com. The next website that I want to share with you is Cash4Minutes.com. This one will also help you earn a few bucks just by listening to music. Visit the website right away, and when you're on their homepage, you'll see the Sign Up button right away. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a new page. When you're on that page, you just have to provide all the details the website needs from you. You'll get an email confirmation to verify your account, so make sure that all the information you provided is correct and updated. When you first log in, you'll be welcomed by their information board, where you get to answer most of the questions that you want to ask about the website. You'll know everything you have to know on the information board, so make sure that you read all of it to avoid confusion. Just like the first website that I talked about, this one also needs your payment information. For more convenience, you can also link your PayPal account to this website. Let me talk about this other website, which is HitPredictor.com. Again, you need to set up and create your own free account. This website will let you critique the songs that you listen to and get paid for doing so. This website will first require you to listen to the music, then you'll be taken to a page where you can leave comments about the music and give it a rating. Once you're done rating and commenting, you can now earn points and later convert them into real cash. The last website that I'll talk about in this video is MusicXray.com. This is like HitPredictor.com, where you can also listen to the songs and give comments and ratings on the artist and the music that you've listened to. You can do multiple things with this website, like listening to music or submitting your own music. Let's do a quick rundown of all the websites that I've shared with you. First is RadioEarn.com. Next is Cash4Minutes.com. These first two websites will pay you whenever you finish listening to the music they provide. On the other hand, the third website, which is HitPredictor.com, and the fourth website, MusicXray.com, will pay you whenever you listen to the music and rate it. That's all the websites that I have for you in today's video.